Compassionate Carnivores. A lot of people say that carnivore is so expensive. Well, I've got $20 and I'm at Dollar General. I'm having a challenge against my dad who can make a better family carnivore meal. I'm doing a series of videos on cheap, affordable carnivore budget meals, so make sure to subscribe. We only have 5 minutes. Let's go. We're at the deli meat. They have a lot of options. Look at all of this cheese. I might think of mozzarella sticks for an appetizer. They have a lot of things. Eggs are $2.55. And then there's a bunch of butter. $3. Sour cream. We could make tacos. They've got some sausage patties. Look at that. They got a lot of ground beef. $5.50. $3.75. I think I'm going to make mozzarella sticks as a side, and then I saw that ground beef tube, so maybe I'll have the main course as a burger patty with a fried egg on top. Okay, I'm gonna get these eggs. They're $2.55. Thinking this ground beef, $5.50. There's like 30 seconds left. I need to find pop rinds. I'm trying to look for pop rinds to make my mozzarella sticks. I'm not seeing any. I think that's it. $2. Ooh, that's really good ingredients too. I got all of this for $13.80. I'm so bad. I always do the math wrong and overdo it.
Underdo it.
You
have $7 left.
I technically owe more money, so this is for, I'm gonna take a little bit of bacon and a little bit of cheese.
You're not getting any of my bacon.
Oh, just a little bit.
Sorry.
Okay, we're back from Dollar General. We got eggs, ground beef, Compassionate Carnivore 100% natural chapstick vanilla. That smells delicious. My sister Katie and I make these and these shirts. If you'd like to support our business, you're also supporting a local 6th generation farmer. I'll have the link in the description below. CompassionateCarnivore.store. String cheese and pork rinds. And all of this came out to $13.80. I realized I needed some more things, a little bit of cheese. So I hope this is okay. I have a little cheese that was in the refrigerator, and then I have some of my dad's leftover bacon that I'm going to cook up. But even if you are on a budget, well, technically I feel like you could have got cheese and it would have been $20. So I think this is fair game. The bacon is pushing it a little bit. But anyway, you could definitely just make a meal out of this. So we are going to be making mozzarella sticks. You take your pork rinds.
Mozzarella. You went mozzarella.
Mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella.
And you're going to take your pork rinds. This is $2. And then you don't want to shut it all the way, I think. And then watch. Then you go like this.
Well, now you shut it all the way.
No, it's not all the way. Then you go like this. Oh, does anyone else do this with their socks? Like, it gets a little tight on my ankles, so I do that. And then you just... We got our pork panko now. And we're going to start off by turning this on. You want this to heat up, and then once this is warm, we're going to use some beef tallow. And if you're on a budget, I feel like a lot of people on Carnivore always make bacon or ground beef. So you get a glass jar, and you drain it in it over and over again, and then boom, you got affordable beef tallow or bacon fat that you will use to fry cheese curds, chicken nuggets, but we're doing mozzarella sticks. I got 2 eggs in there. Don't mind this one fly that we can't get. Okay, there's probably like 3 flies in here, but he's the one who keeps sticking around. We don't want you here. You guys can make chicken nuggets or cheese curds too. You can do anything. I cut up steak really fine and made like steak fries. That was so delicious. Go away, fly. I have a problem where I cook things at like one at a time, and I need to do it in a manual manner so that it gets done at the same time, if that makes sense. This is hot. We're gonna heat this up for the burger patties and eggs. I don't think we have any plates, because if you watch my dad's video, he used every single plate, every single pan. Boom. Dip with one of your hands. So I'm gonna choose my right hand. So you dip it with your right hand. You wanna really coat it on. And then you're gonna drop it here, and then watch. Now you're gonna take your other hand. I'm gonna take my left hand. Because if you do your right hand, it'll all completely stick to your hand and not to the cheese. Boom. And now repeat. Okay, we're gonna pop this in the freezer for about 10 minutes. That is so darn cute. Me and my dad are having a challenge who can make the best carnivore meal, and the loser has to jump in the freezing cold lake on December 1st, where it's gonna be frozen. So comment down below and vote Emma. I'll have my dad's video link in the link in the description below of what he made, so you guys can judge it and see which ones you guys would rather have and who did better.
I get, like, when I use a toothpick at night, I get one that size out of between my teeth. Where's the food for the rest of the family?
Okay, so
6 of
the
us.
average, no, I'm doing average size family, which is 4. We got these, which this looks really good. It's gonna be fried, but I'm freezing it right now. They're mozzarella sticks.
That those look pretty good.
I think that should be enough for a family of 4. And then
Family of 4?
on top of the burger patties, it's gonna be a fried egg and cheese.
Who out of our family of 6 isn't eating tonight?
I thought that it was like average family. I got a little leftover bacon from my dad's. I hope this is fair. Anyway, we're gonna cook it up. I just put it in the air fryer at 390 degrees for about 6 minutes. Okay, so my dad just gave me the best idea ever. I'm going against him, but he said, why don't you make cloud bread? And if I remember, you just take egg whites and an electric mixer and you mix it for like 5 minutes and it gets fluffy. So we're also gonna have bread on the top of it. This is a must-have game changer carnivore. Link in the description below. But watch, you just go like this, put it in the middle, and then all the whites fall through. I'm gonna put the egg yolks in here and make scrambled eggs later. Okay, look at that. That took me about 30 seconds. Usually when I just went back and forth with the eggs, it would take me forever and I would mess it up. Now we're going to mix it. I'm going to do a second coat. Okay, this is what they look like. I'm gonna pop it in the freezer for 5 more minutes. You see how it's fluffy and look how much it rised up? That's what you want. Even when you think you're done, just keep going. Bread, little bread. Dun, dun, dun. That looks so cute. Should I sprinkle cheese on it right away? So it melts. Look at that, it looks so delicious. We got the burger patty, the egg with melted cheese on it, bacon, and then cheese on top. This one, I just put it on the bottom, but I think I'm gonna make a sandwich and put an egg on top of this one too. I don't know what I did wrong. I might have done too much oil.
I think if you let it sit, it'll get crispy.
We're just gonna let it sit on the rack. Maybe pull these guys off and I'll dump a little oil into a jar. This is the egg white one that we made. It's nice and crispy. It's not the prettiest, so I don't know what I did wrong, but it'll still taste good. We got another fluffy one going, and I think all the oil just is not hot enough.
You put it on the tiny side, not the big side.
Look at that! Katie made them. She did it. That's a cheese curd. I mean, a mozzarella stick. That's awesome. What? Look. This is the platter so far, all piping hot. We're waiting on 2 more eggs. I think this will feed a family of 4.
That's how you know you're a good cook, because I actually like it.
She said that's how you know you're a good cook, because she actually likes it, but she's the one who cooked it.
I forgot to do that.
Okay, that is my $20 carnivore meal challenge. Please comment down below Emma wins. Make sure to go check out my dad's video. He made an incredible meal for $20. But look at that, the mozzarella sticks.
Dude, you left the heat on.
Oh my gosh. The burger is so juicy. Like, remember how I said it was falling apart? So juicy. The egg yolk, I cooked it just right, so it's a little bit yolky. The bacon, the cheese, I have so many flavors in my mouth. This is one of my favorite carnivore meals that is so cute and satisfying. The little burger and the mozzarella sticks.
The mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella sticks.
The
But thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best. Please subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, because it really helps me out and it helps YouTube push my videos to help inspire others. If you guys like my shirt, Compassionate Carnivore, great for every meal, never wasteful. You can check it out at CompassionateCarnivore.store. Katie and I work really hard on our site. Grace and peace always.
Grace and peace always.
Wishing you the best day and always bye. Peace.